A lot of people comment or ask me, what are star notes worth? They see me find them in videos when I do bill searches or just simply talking about them in other videos talking about replacement or star notes. And sometimes I don't necessarily give all the values to them, so many people are left wondering, what is it actually worth when I find one? Let's talk a little bit about star notes, and specifically this strap of $102 bills that is all in sequential order, and all are star notes. So first off, what is a star note or replacement note? Replacement notes are commonly referred to as star notes, or most of the time referred to as star notes. They're basically banknotes that are printed to replace faulty ones and are used as a control mechanism to know the exact number of banknotes that are being printed. Since there are two serial numbers that cannot be the same, the bill is simply reprinted with a symbol in the serial number identifying it as a replacement for an error note. Now, sometimes these are not going to be the serial number of the bill that was actually replaced, but more of a placeholder. Some notes are printed before the other notes are even printed. Some are printed after the fact to replace ones that were damaged during the production process and to replace faulty ones that are found in quality assurance along the way. A star note is still a banknote, of course, asterisk, or a star after the serial number to indicate it was not the original bill. Now, there are series like the 2013 B star notes that can be duplicates. There was a mistake made by the BEP where the same runs of star notes were printed twice. Back in the day, star notes were also substituted for the last note in a block rather than printing a note with a serial number consisting of 8 zeros. Now, this practice is no longer used, as the highest range of serial numbers is now reserved for uncut sheets that are sold to collectors. So back to these $2 notes that are all in sequential order, 100 of them in a strap, and all of them that are replacement or star notes. So what did they sell for? Now, to find a whole strap of star notes isn't the most crazy thing, but these are in absolutely phenomenal condition. They are ungraded, of course. You can send in a whole strap to get graded. I've never done that personally. But they, of course, hold really good value without the grade. These 2017 A $2 notes are out of the Philadelphia district and are contained within the original BEP strap. These $102 bills with star notes sold for a whopping $421 in auction, so over double the face value. This puts a real-world value on these $2 notes, but also star notes in general. Now, $2 star notes are more sought after than some other denominations, but nevertheless, star notes in general, especially in a strap like this, where they're all in order and there's so many of them with star notes that are kept together and in mint condition, all these factors come together for that high premium over face value, selling at $420. Let me know what you think about star notes. If you like collecting them, we'll talk about it in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video.